Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to root the OnePlus 7T. This root method works on any model of OnePlus 7T. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is follow the instructions which I'm going to do in this video. So before rooting your phone, there are a few things that you need to take care of. First, your phone's bootloader should be unlocked. I have already made a video on that. The link is in the description below. You can go to that link and watch the video to unlock the bootloader of OnePlus 7T. And after you have unlocked the bootloader, you need to make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version of Oxygen OS. So let us check here. My phone is running on Oxygen OS 10.0.11.HD65AA. This is currently the latest version of Oxygen OS available. So after that, you need a couple of files and further process is done on PC. So guys, here you can see a couple of files. These are the platform tools. This is the Payload Dumper, and this is the Oxygen OS. You actually need to download the full Oxygen OS firmware which is currently running on your phone into your PC. You can download the firmware from the official OnePlus site. I will show you how to do that. You can go into Google and you can search for OnePlus 7T firmware and search for that. You can see here it's the first site, it's the official OnePlus site. Here this is the OnePlus 7T. So here you can see that it's the same version as it was on my phone. If you live in a certain region where there is region specific firmware file, then you need to make sure that you are on the region specific OnePlus 7T site. I mean OnePlus official firmware site, and you need to download the version which is same on your phone. And I've already downloaded the firmware I have here, and these are the three files. I have also extracted these three files. So now what I'm going to do is go into the firmware file, and we need here the payload.bin file. What I'm going to do is copy this and go into the payload dumper. Here I'm gonna paste it into the payload.input. I'm gonna paste it here, replace the file in destination. So the payload.bin file is here, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna launch the payload dumper. So it will start making a bunch of files, and we actually need this boot file from the output. I think it has already made a boot file. Let's go into the payload output. So you can see here that here is the boot file. We need to copy that boot file into our phone, so I'm gonna do that. So guys, I have copied the boot.img file into the internal storage of my OnePlus 7T. Let us see here in the internal storage. So this is the boot.img file, and after copying the boot.img file, you need to install the Magisk Manager on your OnePlus 7T. I'll give the link in the description below. You can download the APK file and install it on your OnePlus 7T. So let us launch the Magisk Manager, and this is the interface. It will say that Magisk is not installed, and it's perfectly normal. So now what you need to do is go into settings and change the update channel to beta. After that, you need to tap on this install button, install, and you need to tap on select and patch a file, allow the permissions. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna find that boot.img file, which will be right here. So this is the boot.img file. I'm gonna select it, and it's gonna make a patched magisk.boot.img file in a moment. It is first installing this library. After that, it will patch that boot.img file. So let us wait here a little. So the Magisk library is about to complete, and you can see here that it has made the patched Magisk boot.img file. You can see here it's in the downloaded folder. So guys, here is the magisk patch.img file. Now we need to copy that file into our PC. So guys, I have copied the magisk patch.img file into my PC, and we have all the files now we need for rooting the OnePlus 7T. And the final step now is to put my phone into the bootloader mode. So let us turn off the device. It's now turned off. Now I'm gonna tap and I'm gonna hold the volume up, down and the power button together until it's in bootloader mode, fast boot mode. So the phone is in now fast boot mode. You can see here the device state unlocked. So now let us connect to the PC. Let's keep it here. So guys, I have here the Magisk patched file here, and I have all the things that I need for rooting the OnePlus 7T. Now from here, you need to go into the platform tools and type cmd in the search bar. So this is the command prompt. Here enter the command fast boot devices. So you can see here that my device is recognized by the PC. Now what we need to do is we need to flash the patched magisk img file, which is here. So type the command fast boot flash boot and drag this file here. Tap enter. So it's done. The patched magisk.img file is now flashed on my phone. Your phone will not restart itself. The file is now flashed, and I'm going to disconnect my phone and press the power button. So after the file is flashed on your phone's not gonna restart itself. You need to do it yourself. This is the message you will get after unlocking your bootloader. Every time you will boot your phone, this message will show up. You just have to wait until it goes away. So after your phone boots up, you need to do this final step to ensure that Magisk root stays on your phone. You need to go into the Magisk Manager. You can see here that Magisk up to date. You need to again tap on the install. You need to tap on install and direct install recommended. So this method is necessary because if you do not do this step, then the root will disappear after you reboot your phone. So to ensure the root is permanent on your phone, you need to do this one last step. So it's done now. Tap on the reboot button. So now the root will stay on my phone no matter how many times I reboot my phone. If you do not do this step, then the root will be gone if you reboot your phone. So make sure that you do this last step. So the phone boots up, and let us go into the root checker here. Agree. Verify root. So here you can see guys, my phone is now successfully rooted. So guys, that is it. The phone is now rooted. You can follow the same instructions for your OnePlus 7T and you will have root on your phone.